Motion in a plane, scalars and vectors. So let us learn about scalars and vectors. तो basically scalars होते क्या हैं? Scalar ऐसी quantity है जिसमें सिर्फ magnitude है. It does not have any direction. You cannot specify any direction to it. So a scalar is a quantity with only magnitude, no direction. It is represented by any number along with a unit. For example, distance, mass, temperature, time. For example, when you are measuring the temperature, you just say the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, for example. So just a number and the proper unit. So all these quantities are scalars. Now scalars can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided by using the rules of algebra. These are what scalars. Now the next is vectors. Vectors are, on the other hand, quantities which have both magnitude and a direction. उसमें magnitude यानी number के साथ साथ एक direction भी आपको specify करना पड़ेगा. Examples हैं displacement, velocity, acceleration, force. ठीक है, जैसे velocity है तो velocity में number होता है, magnitude होता है, unit होती है, साथ में direction भी होता है. Acceleration, force, इन सभी में यही है. So these are vectors. Vectors cannot be added by the rules of algebra, or normal algebraic rules cannot be used for them. They follow special rules for addition. We will learn in the coming portions of the chapter. So they can be added by using triangle or parallelogram law of addition. Now we will learn about position vector and displacement vector. So basically, position vector represents the position of any point with respect to the origin. तो किसी भी point की आपको अगर position निकालनी है तो position vector use करते हैं. On the other hand, displacement vector ऐसा vector जो दो points के बीच के displacement यानी दो points के बीच के gap या distance को direction के साथ बताता है. So it's a vector, displacement vector. Okay, so we will understand these two vectors through a graph. Let us do this. So here I have taken the x and the y axis. All right, and O is the origin. या O origin है. हमेशा आपको एक origin चाहिए होगा, एक reference point. Now let us consider two points P and Q. दो points P and Q ले लेते हैं. एक ऐसा वेक्टर जो पॉइंट P की पोजीशन को बताता है ओरिजिन के रिस्पेक्ट में, मतलब ओरिजिन से पॉइंट P कितनी दूर है, r डिस्टेंस पे है मान ले. ठीक है, तो वेक्टर r इज कॉल्ड द पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट P. सिमिलरली एक ऐसा वेक्टर जो पॉइंट Q की पोजीशन को बताता है ओरिजिन के रिस्पेक्ट में, ओरिजिन से उसकी डिस्टेंस, ओरिजिन के हिसाब से उसकी डिस्टेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ Q. नाउ एक और वेक्टर हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ, वेक्टर PQ. ये PQ बताता है हमें द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू पॉइंट्स, एनी टू पॉइंट्स P and Q. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. मतलब अगर कोई पार्टिकल P पे था और T टाइम के बाद Q पे पहुंच गया, P से Q चाहे किसी भी रास्ते, किसी भी पाथ से गया हो, डजंट मैटर. Displacement vector is the straight line distance. Okay, so it is the shortest distance, just like displacement. So PQ here is the displacement vector. तो यहाँ पर R and R dash are position vectors of points P and Q respectively, while PQ is also R dash minus R. We will learn it when we study the parallelogram or triangle of vector addition. And here PQ is the displacement vector. जो next topic है equality of vectors. So two vectors A and B are said to be equal if and only if they have the same magnitude and the same direction. If and only if they have same magnitude and same direction. So let us see an example. Suppose we have two vectors A and B, vector A and vector B, which are shown here in the diagram. Now these two vectors are said to be equal because one, they are parallel to each other, and also they are equal in length. So they have same magnitude and same direction, right? So here we can easily say that A and B are equal vectors. Now let us take another example. Again we have two vectors, one is A dash and other one is B dash. But as you can see, even though their lengths are equal, they are not parallel to each other. Their directions are not the same. Length, magnitude दोनों का same है, लेकिन उनकी direction अलग अलग है. वो दोनों एक दूसरे के parallel या same direction में नहीं है. तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि A dash और B dash यहाँ unequal vectors हैं. Equal हो ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि equal vectors होने के लिए both magnitude and direction should be same. Compulsorily should be same. If any one is not the same, then they are unequal vectors. Again, we consider another example. Again, we have A dash and B dash. And you can see A dash and B dash are parallel to each other. But their lengths of the arrows or lines, or we can say their magnitudes. Actually, the length of this arrow represents the magnitude of vector. And the pointer represents the direction. You know that. Okay. तो यहाँ पर parallel है, मतलब direction same है, but lengths are not the same. That means magnitude is not the same. So that means again A dash and B dash are unequal vectors. So this is how we define equality of vectors. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to the physics side for more interesting and informative videos. You can now get NEET JEE and other study material for physics.